Naval Operations Base in Benue, aimed at enhancing Navy's capabilities in the state. And this was seen during the visit to the site by Chief of the Naval Staff, Vice Admiral Emmanuel Ogala, to Makurdi, the Benue state capital. Maiwo Kwato was there.
This is a visit where the Benue State Governor, Hyacinth Alia, leads the Chief of Naval Staff to the land allocated to the Nigerian Navy for an operational base. This is in line with the statutory role of the Nigerian Navy to operate on inland waterways, as the base will continue to provide internal security along River Benue.
This translates to an additional area of 102,300 square meters.
The naval chief believes that the presence of the Nigerian Navy would change the status quo in terms of security, just as the state governor comments the speedy establishment of the base.
The Special Operations Command will be a place where we have all the land fighting elements of the Nigerian Navy to contribute to internal security, not only within the Middle Belt, but across the country. From this particular Special Operations Command, all our deployments, both in Benue State and other parts of the country, so long as it has to be with fighting on land in support of the Army and the other services.
As large as 179 hectares. So that is quite a chunk of land. And we did that because we have some very long waterways, and it's spanned as well. First thing, you have a land, you secure it, and then you stem all the arguers and those who want to come in and create some problems out.
Earlier at the government house, the Navy chief calls for collaboration with community leaders to foster security in the state.
We believe that working together with the people, working together with the community, we will be able to chase away those few bad eggs, because I believe that they are less than 0.1%.
The 179 hectares of land will serve as launch base for naval operations covering the entire length, enhancing security for communities along the River Benue. Mayowa Okwato, TVC News, Makurdi.
Nigeria's First Lady Oluremi Tinubu says President Tinubu's administration is committed to empowering citizens, particularly women, with ICT skills to help them break barriers and access new opportunities nationwide. The First Lady made this note while commissioning an ICT center in Ibadan. Oladoyiwole has more in this report.
Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON.
The inauguration of this ultra-modern ICT center in Ibadan marks the third in a series of 4 constructed under the Renewed Hope initiative, with the 4th center in Benue State expected to be inaugurated soon. The center was built by the National Information Technology Development Agency, NITDA, in collaboration with the Renewed Hope Agenda, an initiative of the First Lady under her social investment program, and now being officially handed over to the Oyo State government. The First Lady advised residents of Oyo State, especially women, to take advantage of this opportunity, noting that it would help them break barriers and make meaningful impact both nationally and globally.
Other digital economy centers have been fully equipped with computers and ICT materials in 5 states, namely Cross River, Ebonyi, Jigawa, Niger, Oyo, and the Federal Capital Territory. All our program is people-centered, and we are not biased, it's not favoring one party over the other.
For us to create the kind of prosperity that will last, we definitely must look at our people. IT, AI, that is the road to the future. I can give you the assurance, ma, that we will take full advantage of this.
Minister of Communications, Innovations and Digital Economy believes that the center would unlock the potential of youth and students, enabling them to actively participate in the digital economy.
I would like to say for the young people that this investment has been made for, live today knowing that the future belongs to you. If you take advantage of this investment, acquire the skill set that is required to participate in the economy of today, but the economy of the future as well.
We are cultivating the leaders of tomorrow. We are unlocking opportunities. We are igniting the potential of our youth and students to actively participate in the digital economy.
Our mommy, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Our Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, Mommy, you're welcome. Your Excellency, Ma, thank you for your commitment to improving the living standard of the average Nigerian citizen through your various people-oriented programs.
The ICT Center, named after Onike Kwakonde, a former Minister of Trade and Industry, underscores the recognition of our contributions to national development and highlights the importance of empowering communities through digital innovation. Olaide Oyewole, TVC News, Ibadan.
The Presidential Initiative for Unlocking the Healthcare Value Chain and the National Malaria Elimination Program have initiated a strategic partnership aimed at advancing malaria control in Nigeria through innovative co-payment mechanisms with private sector investors. In the high-level meeting held at Nasene Treatment Biotechnologies in Abuja today, both organizations emphasized the importance of local production, affordability and sustainability in the fight against malaria.
One big push that the minister is also very much interested in is seeing that local production for commodities, especially commodities like malaria, that is everyday, something that is really very, we have a high burden of in Nigeria, is produced locally. So that's the initiatives we've also taken as a program. And so we've visited this wonderful factory that will be producing malaria commodities and indeed other health products.
Our aim and the aim of the chairman of Naseni is His Excellency the President Tinubu, the EVC, Executive Vice Chairman of Naseni, Mr. Khalil Halilu, and myself, the CEO of the factory, is to cover the Nigerian market, but most importantly, to take out Nigerian products, to export fully Nigerian-owned brands, fully Nigerian-owned scientific files, and fully Nigerian product to neighboring country.
Today we are at the Naseni Tremont Biotechnologies, which is a factory here in Idu, in Abuja, that is manufacturing rapid diagnostic tests for multiple ailments. At least they have at least 14 products. We came to visit today with the National Malaria Elimination Program, the National Coordinator and partners, the World Health Organization, CHAI, Clinton Health Initiative, a couple of other partners here to really see what is happening here in the effort for us to localize production of these products